Hi everyone, this is Clint with Clint's Classic World. Just wanted to talk to you real quick. Gonna go on a quick road trip. Gonna go check out a part. So let's see what happens here. Saw it on the internet and let's see what we can do with this. See if we can come back with it. Not really sure, but let's go try. On a road trip towards Louisiana. Saw an ad for original shaker hood for a 1970-71 Challenger. Well, I'm gonna have to go check it out because it's original shaker. And took a look at the pictures. Turns out it's pretty good. Looks like it checks out in the photos. I just need to look at it in person and see if I can make a deal on the money. So let's do this trip. On our way, we'll see what happens. So let's check out this shaker hood and see a little bit of information on it. See if it's the real deal. Hi gang, okay, here we go. We're at the house. Let's go look at this shaker hood here, see. Ned. Okay, this is Ned. He's got this shaker hood. Tell me a little bit about this thing.
I got this shaker hood in 1996. I had heard rumor there was a car for sale at a body shop, and I went over there and they had already sold the car and the guy was taking it off. But about a year later, I was contacted by a friend of mine who said that the guy was making a drag car out of it and I might be able to get the sheet metal if I went over there and tried to make a deal.
Okay.
I had a neon sign from a Dodge dealership. They went out of business in the New Orleans area, and the guy wanted to do a deal for the sign for his man cave.
Okay, so what hood do we have here? What is this hood?
This is a 1971 Challenger RT 440 hood. And
real shaker hood or it's a repop?
No, it's a real shaker
real
hood.
Deal, huh?
I've owned it for 20 plus years.
Wow.
I got it in, I think, 95 or 96.
For a 1971 Challenger. Okay. Wow. The Challengers, they made less hoods, right?
Yes. I think they only made a couple hundred.
Okay.
Probably less than a third of those available.
Right.
And probably most of those are already on the cars that you see going through these auctions.
Wow. Okay. Cool. So what's the condition of this hood?
I would say it's pretty strong, actually. It's original paint. It was a black car. It does have a few issues. Nothing that can't be fixed, but all the bones are there. The underside really is pretty nice. The top has two small holes about the size of, I'd say, like a watermelon seed. Okay. Any hood I've ever had off of an old Challenger seemed to go bad in the front corner.
Let's take a look here. It does have like the indentions here on the side. That looks good. And then let's see. Well, it does have the part number here. Looks like right here there's a little number stamped in it. Yeah. So yeah, this is
the real deal.
Yeah. Could you lift it up just slightly?
Sure.
Thanks. Maybe I can help you.
We got it.
Awesome. Well, it's got a little bit of authenticity with it.
A little bit of patina.
Yeah, right.
But that'll come out.
Look at that. Pretty cool.
Absolutely.
Okay. Yeah, so 71, so it has those.
Got the wire pull.
Right.
Okay.
Right. And it's got the little crinkle zones there.
We got
so that
the
would
two
be
crinkle
the
zones.
Yep.
This was a pin hood.
Yep. Yeah,
And,
pin hood. Cool.
I think it might have been drag raced a few times before it was replaced for a fiberglass one.
Wow. Cool. Well, hey, thanks a lot. I appreciate it, and
You're welcome.
let's make a deal.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks.
Take this thing to Texas, man.
I will. All right.